Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to configure security policies and how to use all the profiles in your security policies. This is the most exciting features of Palo Alto Firewall, how it's organized and how easy to use. So let's start from the simple rule in front of allow any to, let's say, block Facebook website. So test rule, and here we say from zone trust to destination zone untrust, application add Facebook, and you can see we can specify each specific application level. We can block all Facebook, or we can block only, let's say, Facebook chat or Facebook video or Facebook file sharing. So, but in this rule we'll block everything, all the services from all the applications, Facebook applications. URL will not block any, so it's not based on URL, it's on the application behavior. And now we say action deny, and we'll move this rule on up. Okay, done. And before we do commit, we'll try to access this host. As you can see, voila, you can get access. Okay, so now we commit the change. Okay. Done. Okay, so now let's try to go to Facebook again. Not working. And let's go to monitor tab, but I think that it will not show straight away because we have configuration block on session close. Let's change the login behavior. Log at session start. And commit the change. Okay. As you can see, we're not able to get access there. Okay, let's try again. And we should see monitor, traffic, Facebook's base, deny. So all the connections were blocked. And it's, you see, application, it's not based on URL. Okay, now let's change this test rule. Let's allow traffic and change this application to web browsing. Okay, and another one change we'll do here. We can specify policy profile. So let's go to first objects, and here we can see security profiles, antivirus, anti-spyware, and as you can see, we can use already predefined profiles, vulnerability protection, URL filtering. Let's say there's some categories blocked by default, file blocking, data filtering, those protections. These I think don't have default. Yes, they don't have default profiles. Okay, so in the policies we can use these profiles. It's very easy to use, so go to test rule, and in action profile, in action tab, this we can use full profile type and change it to from none to profiles. And you can see we can use default or strict. Let's use default, URL filtering default, file blocking, data filtering. There are no defaults, so we'll leave it as it is, but you will see the main idea how we can use these profiles and how the profiles are working. Okay, and now we do commit. Now it's getting annoying. So for the next time I'll make the change. So I need to go to network, zones, trust L3, and here I'll change this setting, enable user identification. It's for from VPN, as I did before. So we can commit now. It's not related to this test actually. Okay, so let's go to icar.org, and here we can go to anti-malware test file, download, and you can see download area. So now we can use, let's say, zip file with that test virus, and as the result, virus hardware download blocked. So that action was blocked as it was expected. Okay, another one test we need to do here. Let's use SSL encrypted. It's also browsing, and let's see if it works. Uh-oh, I can download it, and that is not working. So why? The reason is that from this browser we have direct connection to the server, and this is an encrypted session. And to work around, we have to do man-in-the-middle attack on those servers. How to do that I'll show you in another session, but here we'll leave it as it is and test another one feature, URL blocking. As you saw, there is a default policy which blocks some certain categories, and one of them is a gambling. Let's do this. Online gambling sites. Okay, so let's do this. So online casino in Australia. Okay, so now as you can see, this web page was blocked as well because it's blocked by policy category gambling. So this is how this profile works. And now we go back to the policies, and it's I think it's quite boring to enable all these profiles again and again. So what we can do, we can go to object and create security profile group. Let's do test group security profile group. and we choose all the profiles we created or default in this scenario. And now we can go to policies, and instead of choosing all these profiles, we can assign only one group, and will save you some of your time. I think that if you do a lot of changes, it can save a lot of time. So now we choose this group profile, and that's all. So you need to choose only one profile to apply all the policies at one time. And we'll test. No valid. Okay, okay. That's antivirus updates have to be done. Okay. Okay. So let's try to download again. Okay, it's blocked. And now we try to download. Go to this page again. Still blocked. And let's go to Monitor tab. What we can see here. Okay, some traffic was allowed by test rule. Okay, but in the threat log we can see virus download attempts, URL filtering, folks. Yeah, gambling logged. Okay, so thank you, and in the next session I'll show you how to decrypt HTTPS session. Bear with me, and see you later. Bye.